Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have k minus 3 divided by 3 minus k is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to find all the values of k, and at the last we will verify that which of the values of k are solution and which of the values of k are extraneous root. So further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So in the first method, we move the term 3 minus k from left hand side to the right hand side, and this will be written as k minus 3 is equals to 3 times of 3 minus k. And further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and it will be written as in this form. We have k minus 3 is equals to, we multiply this 3 separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes 3 times 3 becomes 9 minus 3 times of k. So further in the next step we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes k minus 3. This is positive 9 becomes here negative 9. This is negative 3k becomes here positive 3k, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms. So we have this is k plus 3k becomes 4 times of k, and this is minus 3 minus 9 becomes here minus 12, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, because here our target is to find the values of k, so that we move minus 12 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 4k is equals to plus 12. And now further, for the values of k we need to remove this 4 from here, so that we divide both of the sides by 4. And when we divide both of the sides by 4, this will be written as in this form. So when we divide by 4, it will becomes here 4k divided by 4 is equals to 12 divided by 4. This 4 and this 4 are gone, and we obtain here k is equals to, this is 4 times 3 becomes 12, and we get here k is equals to 3. So k equals to 3 be the only one root which we can find here from first method. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of k be the solution, or is this value of k be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k minus 3 divided by 3 minus k is equals to 3. So this is our given question statement, and here we verify the above value of k. So we put k equals to 3 into the left hand side, and this will becomes 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3 is equals to 3. And in the next step we have this 3 minus 3 becomes 0 over 3 minus 3 becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 3. So you see that in the left hand side we get 0 over 0 form, or in other words we say that, so you see that the left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, or usually we call that it is indeterminate form. So if our left hand side is indeterminate form, or in other words it is undefined form, so we say that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value k is equals to 3 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that k is equals to 3 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And finally you see here we cannot get any other value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we conclude about that this question has no solution. This is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, We first copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is k minus 3 divided by 3 minus k is equals to 3. So here our second method is a very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution sort of this problem. So here we need to focus into the left hand side, and here in the denominator we will be take common negative sign, and when we take common negative sign from here we get the remaining values are k minus 3, and this is equals to 3. So this k minus 3 and this k minus 3 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here minus 1 is equals to 3. So you see that minus 1 equals to 3 is not a possible case. It is not possible that minus 1 is equals to 3, because in general both of these two values are not equal. And if both of these two values are not equal, you see here in the second method we cannot get any other value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.